Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today continue working on wife's BMW X6 that is this close to be done. Even though at the beginning it's like 2.5 years, everybody's like, oh, it's unfixable, oh, you can't fix it, oh, it takes you too long, oh, this, oh, that, ta-da! Yeah, it's just give some fuel to haters to talk about it, right? So guys, today's plan is to paint those parts that Yuri prepared. They already, we actually cleaned the garage whole day yesterday. We were cleaning garage, preparing. So right now we're gonna go buy propane because I want to make sure we have enough propane because we're gonna be painting here. Second of all, we need the gas for this vehicle because it's running on low. I think it's like 20 miles left. I don't want to burn the pumps. I want to take the vehicle outside and run it through the heat cycle and see if there's any other problems. While we're going to be painting, it's going to be working. I want to make sure it's not going to overheat or any other problems going to pop up. After we'll paint, we'll talk about some other stuff, what left to do. I mean, it's beautiful, right? So let's go get the propane, fuel, and start painting. We're gonna scatter all those parts around here. That's why I have lots of stands. We're gonna get the hood out of here and just scatter all over the place. And finger crossed, the paint job gonna came out better than BMW, even though BMW gonna have to be repainted. Oh well, it is what it is. Oh, by the way, we need to send those packages back. And the owner of the door panel, he actually doesn't want the molded door panel. He actually paid me and blocked me from sending the door panel back. He's like, I don't need it, what I'm gonna do with it? Headlight going back because seller wasn't honest. The new headlight is coming. Other parts is coming, so hopefully before Christmas this vehicle is gonna be 100% done. But another thing is wheels. I'm gonna keep these wheels. We're gonna put this snow studded tires. I'm probably gonna strip them and repowder coat them. Other than that, OEM wheels I already got the rims. I can't find the 2 tires because they're on the back order. But springtime it will go back on its own. X6M, I think 612 or 620 series. Anyway, so yep, let's start working. It's gonna stink everywhere. Here, my hands. Oh well. It's gonna open or close. Close. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get it warm and prepare everything for painting.
How are you taking apart? I'm scared to break something. I think so. I think I broke something. Oh! I broke it. Wow, this one is stuck pretty good. Okay, so far. Oh, only one clip though.
Maybe glue.
JB weld. Good to go. Okay. Broke it? Yes.
Oh
Why?
man. Demolition man.
No, it's same spot. Man, sucks. How'd you get them off without breaking them? I don't understand. I can't even push it out because it's so freaking in there. See, this bottom gets stuck. That's why you can't kind of push it out. Ugh. See, this bottom goes inside there. But I guess 2 JB welds, at least those two gonna hold. These two and rest of them. We got these two. Let's go get the, we'll leave this here. Let's go get the spoiler. So many people like, hey, what about that spoiler? What about that spoiler? What about it? What about it? Right guys, as you can see, we prepared everything ready. That's where everything is gonna be when I'm gonna be painting. And right now what we have to do is just grab a wax and grease remover, wipe all those parts clean, then mix a sealer, which is over there, mix base, mix pearl, mix a clear, and apply all of it. So I'm not gonna talk between coats, so you know, 2 coats, sealer, base, pearl, clear. And those parts should be shiny, looking good. While they're gonna be curing, drying, I can continue working on the BMW. We have a double sticky tape, so we can install some rubber seals. It's not flat white.
So guys, it's the next day here. Parts somewhat dry, but they're still easy to damage. I will leave them alone like this. Everything came out really nice except this mirror on the passenger side. Bug got on it and left dark spots on the pearl. And I touched it up with the paint, and I thought it's a little bit too white, so I grabbed the tape and I thought I'm gonna peel it up a little, whatever left over from the bug, and you can see that the tape stick to it, and that's it. I peeled it off. So I left it like this. What I'm gonna do is just sand it, apply a little bit of a primer, sand it, a little bit of the sealer, a little bit of the base, pearl, which I have left plenty, and then clear coat the whole thing. Other than that, all the parts looking beautiful. Check it out, stunning. Same thing with the mirror, of course. Dirt, yes, there is dirt, but hey, I'm working in the garage. It's expected to have a dirt. Other than that, coming along pretty good, guys. I'm super excited, super stoked to put those parts back. But it's not gonna be in this episode, it's gonna be in next episode. I was actually thought I'm gonna be doing way more in this episode, but it didn't work out. So I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here. I did everything that I can, and I think we achieved lots and lots actually, because it's not easy actually to paint those parts because they're small and it's a lot of them. So yeah, that's how it is. I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you liked it, smash the like button. Inside Scoop on Instagram if you wanna see what's going on. Other than that, I'll catch you next one.